Kick that off the plane! I wake up in the morning, bounce my ass, and then I cook some food. Then I go outside and bounce my ass on a good looking dude. I bounce my ass in public, bounce my ass up in the lunch line. Even bounce my ass up in the office when it's crunch time. Bounce my ass when I get drunk and bounce it till get sober. And you know I'm bouncing ass when all the homies coming over. Bounce my ass with all my friends and bounce it with my enemies. The other day I bounced my ass so hard I got an injury.
Shawty won't work. Shawty likes to rough and she got a big oily butt. A big round wet McMuffin. Shawty got sexual techniques and a big round oily butt. Goosebumps on her booty cheeks. I wanna bust a nut. She's looking good. She's got a lot of class. Big hoop earrings and that big round ass. I practice stupid dope, but it still makes her giggle. I'm one step closer to seeing that booty jiggle, seeing that booty bounce up and down and around, vigorously shaking and making that happy sound.